such a frightening statistic. Approximately a third of baby boomers is what I read that have no retirement savings whatsoever. So is there anything that they can do to prepare?
Well, actually, there are three things. One, they could look at their jobs. If they're still working and they have a job that doesn't have a pension, they might want to look and see if they can change a job. Now, if it's a career they love, that may not be the case, where there is a pension. And that makes a very, very big difference. A lot of people in this country are lacking teachers. A lot of people in this country are lacking nurses. These are all types of jobs that still have pensions today. So that may be something to look at if they have several years yet to work. 5 years, 7 years, wherever the pension will kick in. Next thing that they can do is they can look at annuities. I really resent some of the press that call annuities a dirty word. An annuity can take a lump sum of money for you, and eventually, you wait as long as you possibly can, give you a lifetime guaranteed stream of income. So if you're really starting late, that is something to look into as opposed to going into the stock market with a few dollars or buying a small amount of mutual funds.
But I need some level of money to get it, to buy an annuity.
Yeah, you do. Usually $20,000. Some take less. Mm-hmm. And these are the A-rated companies. There are some other companies that still have good backing mm-hmm. behind them, might be able to take a little bit less, and you can always add to it. It is like an account where you can put small amounts of money in once you own it. And that gives you a guaranteed stream of income. So that's a second thing. Now, the third thing I've talked about many times, and that is resourcefulness. If you are resourceful enough and flexible enough to move to a part of the country, let's say, or a part of the world that is simply cheaper, where you can live on your Social Security and anything else that you have been able to amass, perhaps the sale of the home, then you can live a wonderful life. But it does require you to have different standards, right? And not be an ostrich. And these are things that can make a difference. Remember, money truly does not bring happiness. Security brings happiness. Mm-hmm. So you go where you feel secure, even if you have not lived the life of luxury that you expected to have.
Yeah, and also it's so important. An important part of what you're saying is the consequences of your choices and realizing that the choices you made, now you have to make some other choices that deal with that, and some tough choices that if you have to move, and that's okay.
Look, retirement for everybody makes you put on what they call the big girl panties. Well, you got to do that, the big boy and the big mm-hmm. girl. There's nobody who's retiring that doesn't have to do that with some aspect of their life. So that's why we call it the fountain of truth.
All right, thank you, Adriane. If you like what you just saw, we have many more videos with Adriane Berg and with more experts at bottomlineinc.com. And do me a favor, do that social thing, share it, tell your friends, tell your family, come to bottomlineinc.com.